one of four men facing felony murder charges in the death of a man outside the Hyatt Regency Hotel is in custody. Devontae Mitchell died outside the hotel in June after workers and security guards pinned him to the ground after they say he caused a disturbance inside the hotel. Today, Todd Erickson, who was working security for the hotel, turned himself in. 12 News' Kendall Keys is live outside the Milwaukee County Courthouse tonight. Kendall, Erickson is awaiting his first court appearance.
Right, we were here when his lawyer showed up for his first court date, but Erickson's appearance was eventually moved to tomorrow. Prosecutors say he's one of the security guards that was holding Mitchell to the ground tonight. Never before seen 12 News video from the scene the day Mitchell died.
Stay down! Please stop fighting! Please stay down!
Prosecutors say that's Todd Erickson back on June 30th, yelling as someone with a cell phone records four now former employees restraining Devontae Mitchell outside the downtown Hyatt Hotel.
This is what happens when you go into the ladies' room.
38 days later, this is Erickson's mugshot. The former security guard turned himself in after prosecutors charged him and the three other men seen holding Mitchell to the ground. Warrants are now out for Devin Johnson Carson, the front desk agent, Brandon Turner, an off-duty security guard, and Herbert Williamson, a bellhop, all now fired and facing felony murder charges.
They brought him outside and they beat him to death. That's a body bag. In there, that's a body bag.
12 News was there June 30th and spoke with a friend of Mitchell's who witnessed his death.
My friend Devontae is now dead because security told me to go away as they were beating him to death.
An autopsy completed last week determined Mitchell died from restraint asphyxia and toxic effects of cocaine and methamphetamine, a homicide. 12 News cameras capturing the moments an officer put Erickson in the back of a squad car the day of the incident. Erickson and the others would end up going home that day after speaking with police.
Kendall, Erickson is the only one to turn himself into police so far. Prosecutors filed arrest warrants for the three other men in the case.
Right, Kristen, and the sheriff's office confirmed Erickson is the only one they have in custody right now. I asked legal expert Dan Adams about this. He's not on the case, but says there's really not a set deadline for those other men to turn themselves in. He says from a defense standpoint, though, best practice is to turn yourself in as soon as possible to demonstrate to the court that you're not a flight risk.
All right, Kendall Keys live at Milwaukee County Courthouse. Thank you. Milwaukee Mayor Cavalier Johnson released a statement on the charges saying, quote, they outline a confluence of troubling actions and circumstances leading to Devontae's death. I reiterate my call for justice. The accused deserve a fair opportunity to defend themselves. And at the same time, the family and friends of Devontae Mitchell deserve to have those responsible held to account.
Prosecutors charged the four workers with felony murder. But what does that mean? We asked local attorney Dan Adams to break it down.
So felony murder is different than the other homicide statutes because there is no mens rea, which means intent or recklessness involved. They don't have to prove that at all. All they have to prove is that the underlying crime happened and that a death resulted from it. So again, they're going to be having to prove the underlying crime, which again is going to be battery or false imprisonment. And because of that crime, Mr. Mitchell died.